Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your display name in Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will get to see this profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Tap into that option and then you will have to tap to this edit profile option. Tap into that and then you will get to see this display name option directly. Now in order to change, just simply remove this current name and set up a new username or display name into here. For example, I have chosen this new name and then tap to save button into the top right corner, and after that the display name will successfully be changed. This way you can also change your display name in very easy steps. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.